Hello everyone, we will guide you through how to make a 24/7 dedicated Palworld server. You may have noticed that in the bottom left of Power, that is the option for how to set up a server, and that is a guide here. But the thing is with this is that the server is not 24/7. You have to go and run it on your own computer, which means for requirements, as you can see here, you need to go and use quite a lot of RAM here and things like that. So the solution to this problem is Apex hosting. Then may go to server host. You will see here that they do Minecraft server hosting as well as other games, including Palworld. The big benefit of hosting your Palworld server with Apex is that your server is going to be 24/7. So friends, you can join at any point and you don't need to use your own computer. And also there is the option for a lot more resources. If you wish at that moment, you can scroll to the bottom of the page to top game server and then just go to click and all games and scroll down. You will shortly go and find Palworld. You can then click on order. Now select the game. Palworld is selected. Then what you want to do is go and choose the plan. So basically the more RAM, the more players and the larger worlds. So in this case I am going to go and start with a 12 GB server. So I will go and click on order. Now just like so, you can choose your server location. Choose this where the closest is to you, because then you have the best connection. You can go over the right and click and continue. If it's not automatically applied, you can then enter the promo code. If there is one available, I have got Apex 25. As you can see, I can then get my 25% discount. That may change in the future through. And then we can go and plus one checkout. You need to go and enter your details here and then choose how you want to go and play. And just like that, I have gone and paid, and we have now gone and subscribed. Scroll down the page, and what you need to do is go and check your email for the new server information. And so here we can go and see the address here, and then we can come down and see our billing account and then our panel account, and panel account is that actually server management. So let's go and click that. And so now this server is going to be running 24/7 because it's not on your own computer. Apex are hosting it. So then what we can do is go and grab the address down here, and we will go back the Palworlds, come to the server page and come down to the bottom, and you can delete what's currently in there, and then you can view Ctrl V and go and paste what we just copied. Press connect like so, and it will say now loading. And now here we are in the server. If I go and pause it by pressing escape, we can go and click on option in the top, and in the bottom right we can go and see we using our Apex server is the sample. Is that simple? And you can then go and start playing with your friends. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching this video.